folks, this is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a neat little 55 Ford Thunderbird. It's done in its original torch red. This car had an older restoration on it. All the chrome, stainless on the car is all really nice. Looks good down the sides. Just a neat little car. Got the fender skirts, the wide whites. Got a white convertible top. The rear bumper and everything's all been re-chromed. Looks real good. Got the original 292 in it, 3-speed manual trans. You have to kind of bear with us. It's only about 28 degrees out right now. Car's all been done back original. Just be a nice little cruiser. Dash is all real good. Tack works. Just a neat little car. It's got power seat. Does work. Just a great little cruiser. The door jambs and everything look real nice on the car. It's a good solid little car. It's a good thing that don't have the convertible top up, because I don't know that Scott been able to get in there. Looks like we'll take a look at a couple of the bulbs. Look like a couple of the bulbs might be out. We'll take a look at that. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.